Hello fellow steamer, St. Paul Steam here. I just received this 55 in the mail yesterday and it needs some love. It's got a cylinder that fell off right here. The boiler seems like needs the most attention. It's barely hanging in there. Cord's been cut to the heater. It's probably assumed that that doesn't work. Barely got any screws holding anything on, really. Missing a band, missing the whistle and the safety valve and the banjo screw here. But say they included the chimney. That's a plus. This is kind of beat up, but we're going to show it some love and see what we can do with it. Hopefully we can bring it back to its former glory. The boiler seems to be undented, needs cleaned up. So we'll see. I'll have another video of it, hopefully restored. Thanks, bye.